Hi guys, and welcome back into this new video where I'm gonna sell my luxury handbags and accessories. So let's go and stay until the end of this video because I'm gonna unbox this one and it's gonna be on sale. So it's a Saint Laurent bag. I know you were looking for it, so excited to finally have one for you. Just to let you know that my name is Margot, I'm French, but I have my own company where I'll sell worldwide. I ship worldwide, and I do sell luxury handbags and accessories. I'm gonna let you my website just here, and if you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, if you like luxury handbags, pre-loved mostly, I'd be very happy to welcome you and that you join our little family around here because we do love luxury handbags, mostly pre-loved, I have to say, but you know. So I'm going to start with the first bag that I sourced you, and that is going to be available on my website. That is a Speedy size 30 monogram canvas. Amazing. I'm so excited. This one is gorgeous, like clearly gorgeous. You can see like the leather is tanned, but not so much. It's a very beautiful tanned. I do have padlock and keys for this one. And the only thing I would say about this one is here. The leather parts on the zipper is almost broken. It's very easily changed by Louis Vuitton for 25 euros, so it's super cheap. And please, just let you know, remember on Speedies, do never pull the zipper with the leather parts, but with the metal part, because it's a very thin leather. It's very, very fragile. In the other end, inside is very good. You have one stain. Just to remember, you have every photo on my website, every detail, everything, so you can find it like in the description. I made all the links, and you have a little pocket that is very good. Price for this one is 490 euro. Everything is on the website. You can buy directly also in USD on the website. That is very cool for people from the US. I already have like clients from the US, so we already ship to multiple states actually, so I'm very grateful. So thank you so much. If someone that bought from us from the US is watching this YouTube channel, please don't hesitate to comment and say what you thought about like the orders, like shipping, the bags and everything, but usually it's going pretty fast. So happy. Anyway, okay, let's go for something else. Oh, I do have an Hermès bag today, so super excited. And this is an Evelyn one. This is a size 29. This one is very good. This is a black one, and this is like a Togo Clemence leather. So this is like a huge grain leather. That's what I love. This is a black one. This one is used already, but in very good condition. What can I say? You don't really have like huge trace of wear on the bag, I would say. Even the corners are actually great because this is not the bag that you put like on the side, on the table. Usually you have it like crossbody. So it's not damaging like really your bag. It's just like a lack of shape because it's like against you, but otherwise the strap is very good. You only have like damage on the jewelry part here on the silver. I truly believe it's because the person before that, like the previous owner, had let the stickers on it, and looks like it made some stains because of the stickers. It's removed, but I believe it's because of this. Anyway, inside now is very good. Like, I love it. It is very nice. Inside you have the pocket, which is in leather, and the inside is like suede leather. This is a very good condition one. You will have every photo, everything on the website as usual, and the price is 2,070 euro. Okay, let's move on with something else that I received that you're gonna love. This is a very small SLG. This one is the toiletry pouch size 15. You have also the 26 that is much bigger, but this one is the little one. So I love it actually. The outside is very, very good. It's a very recent one, I have to say. You can see it because of the shape, and also like the hardware is very good. Little bit used, leather is a bit tanned, and inside has a little stain. I will try to clean a little bit better, but if not, it's very good. And the price for this one is 235 euro, 235 euro. I already had one, not in black. It was the beige one and without the big logo Chanel. And you all asked me for a black one, caviar leather with the Chanel logo. Here it is. I'm so excited because it's been a long search, and I'm very excited because the client who lent me this bag also lent me like other bags to sell for her, and these are absolute games. Like, the bags that she has are amazing, and I'm absolutely so thankful for her to trust me to sell her bags. I'm so excited because for me it's a dream. Like, she has such a beautiful collection, and I'm so forever grateful that I'm able to be in contact with her. She's super nice, and she has a beautiful collection. She has a beautiful soul, so it's so nice for me. Like, I really enjoy working with people that are as passionate as me and super nice, with a good vibe. That's important for me. Anyway, so this bag is kind of a vintage one. It has a vintage look that I love. This one is a tote from Chanel, caviar leather. You have a huge logo Chanel in the front. On the back, you have a back pocket that is actually huge. That is very nice because you can put some few things very quickly inside. You have the zipper with a medallion Chanel. Love it. On the bottom of the bag, actually, it's very good condition. The corners are a little bit rough, but it's very, very little for this type of bag. The bag was used a bit, but it's still in very good condition. Inside is very huge leather inside, plain leather, normal leather. You have one pocket on the side and another one with a zipper. You have little stain, but it's very, very little. I do not have the card, and I do not have the serial number sticker. It was removed. Usually on some vintage bag, it's removed, but it's fine. We authenticate everything, so do not worry about this. I love it. And the price for this one is 1,950 euro. So it's actually a very nice price, and it's a bag that you can wear on an everyday basis. Okay, something else now. Okay, a small accessory. So I have a box. It's cool. So I have the box. It's a vintage one, as you can see with the box. And so happy. So this is a little agenda, PM size in a red epi leather. I almost decided to keep it because I had the same epi leather one, but for a bag. I do have a Noe epi red leather. And this little agenda is the exact same one as my mother. She has the same, and I love it. Condition is very good, as you can see, amazing condition. The only thing I would say is on the inside pocket on this side, the leather inside starts to peel a little bit, but it's nothing that important because you don't really use these parts. I do have an agenda of my own, and I don't use these parts. Anyway, the price for this one is 185 euro. So excited because this one I previously sold it, and it was sold out instantly. So I know you're looking for this one. This one is either for men and women. This is why I love it so much. This is a monogram pouch, document pouch, and you can fit a computer inside completely. And even I have a 14-inch size MacBook Pro, and it fits inside because this one is a large one. So the monogram conda on the outside is perfect. This one is a vintage one. You can have a look on this and you can check this because it's the vintage closing. This is a vintage zipper, but it works very good, as you can see. Okay, the inside now is what I prefer. This is leather inside, and it's leather that lived, and that is a bit toned, and that has some little stain, but it was made for it. It's beautiful. I like vintage items because of this. It's a beautiful quality one, and I love it actually. And the price for this one, I'm gonna have a look just here on my price tag. Price is 390 euro for this pouch. Okay, stay until the end because I have a Saint Laurent bag to show you. So this one is a long wallet, Sarah wallet from Louis Vuitton in monogram canvas. This one is very easy to use. This is the most classical wallet you need to have in your own collection. And this one is so nice. You can keep it for years. So you have little scratches and useness on the press button, but it works very good. Monogram conda is perfect, but sides in leather are used. Now in the inside. So inside is used, and you have stains. As you can see here, it's dirty and used, but otherwise kind of good. And the price is kind of low, so it's in accordance, it's good with the condition of the item. Inside is used with stains here also on the item, where you put your coins, but it's usual if you use it like this. You know what I'm talking about. And this part is actually in very good condition. Price for this one is 199 euro, which is super cool. Okay, something else, a little SLG again. SLG stands for small leather goods. This is this kind of items, wallets, small agenda, key holders, if in case you were wondering. So this one is good condition. You have scratch on the press button, but otherwise it works fine. And you can see that it was used because this part has like a metal section. You can fit like 4 keys inside and some cards on here. Very good condition, I would say. Good, very good. And the price is 170 euro. Okay, and the last but not the least, this is a Saint Laurent. And I'm very excited because you were asking a lot for this type of bags, and I had a hard time finding it for a good price because you were asking me for your bags so expensive, guys. And as a business, I need to add like VAT for Europe. I also need to add like taxes, commission, fees, and everything that's related to a business. So the prices were so expensive, it was not possible for us to sell it. So I finally find one that is like a reasonable price. That is the price of the market, actually. So it's cool. And it's a full set because I have the box, I have the dust bag, and I have all the papers. I even have like the invoice. Everything is inside, so I'm super happy. I have also the copy of the receipt from the store itself for the bag, so it's very nice. And look at this. This is the Collège medium size Saint Laurent bag. The color is between like a Bordeaux and a like dark brown. I'm wearing black today and it's, you know, like not so different, so it's cool. You have like the handle here. Condition is insane. I think it was used like only 1 or 2 times maximum, maybe even not. I don't know. I need to ask my client. Maybe she never used it actually. But yeah, you have a pocket, back pocket here that is very good. Outside looks insane. I like the old style of Yves Saint Laurent YSL. This is gorgeous. And I do have, you know, the strap inside. Huh? So when you open the bag, you still have like the sticker here. Because when you buy it, you have stickers here and on the zipper. On the zipper one is like removed already. I do have, so I've just added the strap. So as you can have a look on how it's worn, or you can use it here or remove the strap. But otherwise, inside of the bag is actually a very good condition. You have multiple pockets with one with a zipper. This is gorgeous. Even the condition of the bag is very, very, very good. The only thing I would say is you have like here little trace of the chain, probably like wrongly placed when you know, put it in the box. But otherwise, this is such a cool bag that you need to have in your own collection, and the price is insane. Price is 1,850 euro, which is a very, very good price. If you want to have a look, go on my website, bamluxurystore.com. I'd be very happy to sell you anything, actually. I'm super happy when my bags go further Europe because I ship from Europe. So if you buy from me from the US or UK or outside Europe, you will have customs. But the price will be lower without VAT. So it's more interesting, actually, in the end for you. So let me know what you thought about this video in the comment. Do not hesitate to subscribe, and I'll see you for another video this Sunday. Bisous, bye bye.